carrying your load with me.
Give it to him. Yeah. He wins. Can we introduce each other?
His name is Robert.
Yeah, this is Isaiah.
I'm Ruben Quintanilla in the finance department.
I'm Victor Tames, new car sales department.
And I still like turtles.
I like turtles. All right, you're great zombie. And
Hi, I'm Jennifer and I work at Hacienda Ford.
Hi, I'm Ruben Sarasua, and I'm gonna win.
Imagine Dragons. It's time. It's time.
Tonight it's time to begin.
That's, yeah.
Okay.
I have one.
The time of my life, or something like that. It's a song.
Had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before.
As I had the time of my life.
Oh, yeah.
Time is on your side. By, what's his name? Rod Stewart. The name of the song is Young Turks. Look it up.
Time is on your side.
He's like, time is on your side. Time. He says it like 3 times. There we go.
Dance.
That was, I don't think
That was
thing,
the song
is
though,
it?
yeah. Yeah, I mean, see, I can say like dance like it's your life or something like won't give you.
And dance like it's the last.
Good job.
Yeah. Cause baby tonight. Yeah.
So dance like it's the last night of your life.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
You're
you
right,
say,
yeah,
give
yeah.
me that point, you know what I'm saying? Take that question mark
Yeah,
out.
that's right.
Yeah.
The last dance for Mary Jane. This is the last dance for Mary Jane.
Last dance with Mary Jane. One more time to give.
She's my kind of rain. Tim McGraw. That's how it goes.
Yes, you sing.
She's my kind of rain.
She's my kind of rain.
I butchered it.
Usher too. She got me like, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
She Wolf by Shakira. Damn. It's a good one.
This is my car
Sing it
show.
though. Sing it.
I don't know. the lyrics,
At
though.
least howl like a wolf. You got,
I'm not gonna
yes,
do that.
come on. Do a little howl for me.
There we go.
All right.
You could go, yeah. One.
I think. Take my breath away.
Take my breath away.
That's how it goes. Take my breath away.
Take my breath away.
Take my breath away.
Take on me.
Wow.
Take on me. Take on me.
Take on me. Take me on. Baby Got Back. Sir Mix-a-Lot.
Baby got back.
How does it go?
Baby got back.
Baby got back.
My neck, my back. Beep, beep, beep.
From Selena, because I'll be dreaming from you.
'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight.
Can't, gotta have Selena song in there.
I don't know.
Dream On. Wow. Aerosmith. Dream on.
Dream on, dream on, dream on.
She's crazy.
No. I know it. Crazy girl, don't you know that I love you?
Crazy girl, don't you know that I love you?
Cause I go crazy, crazy.
Which is that one?
Crazy, I go crazy.
Crazy in Love, Beyonce.
Friends.
Justin Bieber, can we be friends?
Can we be friends?
That's how
That's how it goes.
Cause I got a friend in low places, something like that. Garth Brooks. And the whiskey shines and the beer dances and I will something like that.
I got friends in low places.
You're kicking my butt.
You got a friend in me.
Chinga.
You got a friend in me.
Oh, now you just done.
So, Cat Stevens. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world.
Baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile.
And it's hard to get by.
He's good at this game.
Mad World.
Dude, that was a good one.
We Are the World by Michael Jackson.
Oh man. Dang it, dude. Tiebreaker.
Take me away.
Take me away.
You know that one? Yeah.
By Natasha, what was that? Natasha Bedingfield sings it?
I don't know.
Oh, she does sing it.
She Takes My Breath Away by it's a country song. Just go like that.
She takes my breath away.
You can Google it, I mean, takes my breath away.
Take my breath away.
That's a good one.
Wow, man.
I knew I had it from the start.
Yeah, we all know who won now. Damn.
That was on fire, dude.
Thank you for tuning in. Please watch us in our next video.